The Zilker Botanical Garden is located on 26 fenced acres and is the centerpiece of Zilker Park. It's often referred to as the jewel in the heart of Austin. It's located on the south bank of the Colorado River. Themed gardens such as rose, herb, and Japanese gardens are interconnected with streams, waterfalls, and koi-filled ponds. It's open to the public most days year-round and is enjoyed by over 100,000 visitors each year. This includes thousands of school children from Austin and the surrounding communities. The garden was established as a non-profit in 1955. See its website for the latest events and ways to volunteer. zilkergarden.org